Hi, this is Julienmagic. I recently got a post from a young girl asking me if I could make it snow for Christmas. And it's still no snow in Stockholm. I'm gonna try to make it snow. A lot of places in the world where there is no snow for Christmas. So I took a paper napkin and I folded it like this. If you want to make real snow, you have to add some water. So this is what I did. The most important in all magic is if you believe something, everything becomes possible. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want me to come to your school and make some magic, please comment down below.